Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 13th surface areas and volumes exercise 13.2 question number 10. In the given figure you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter. Frame means this actual lampshade. Here the diameter is 20 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. This margin is to be given in the cloth that has to cover this lampshade, and it is 2.5 centimeter margin from the top to fold it from the top, and similarly 2.5 centimeter from the bottom to fold it from the bottom. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So we will start with cloth has to cover a cylindrical lampshade. So here height can be taken as 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, which is 35 centimeters. See, total height was 30 and now the height will become 2.5 extra is given at the top and 2.5 at the bottom, and diameter is given to be 20 centimeter. Therefore radius will be equal to diameter by 2, 20 by 2, that is 10 centimeter. So area of cloth required to cover lampshade, that will be equal to curved surface area of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 35. So this is 5. Now this is 22 into 10 and 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 2200 centimeter square.